Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, we're making a super tasty and fun recipe that kids will absolutely love: crispy chicken drumstick pops. It's packed with flavor, soft on the inside, and crunchy on the outside. Plus, it's air-fried, so it's a healthier alternative to deep frying. Let's get started. First, heat up a pan with some water. Add a bit of black pepper and salt for seasoning, then drop in the chicken drumsticks. Let them cook for about 15 minutes until they're nicely boiled and tender. Once done, remove the skin. Then, carefully separate the meat from the bone. Don't throw the bones away. We're going to use them later. Now, grab a bowl and mash up a boiled potato until it's nice and smooth. Add in the shredded chicken and mash everything together until it turns into a soft, creamy texture. For extra flavor, mix in your favorite sauce. I went with chili sauce because I love a little kick. Next, in a separate bowl, combine chili powder and salt, then mix in some breadcrumbs. This will give our chicken pops that perfect crispy coating. In another bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them well. Now, it's time to shape our chicken pops. Take a portion of the meat mixture and form it into a ball. Then, press the chicken bone into the center to create a fun dumbbell shape. Once all your chicken pops are ready, pop them into the air fryer and cook for 15 minutes. If you prefer, you can deep fry them, but I like to keep things light and healthy. And that's it. Crispy, delicious chicken pops that are perfect for snack time. Give this recipe a try, and let me know how it turned out in the comments. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and tasty recipes. See you in the next video.